All right, here I am to give you the latest or something that's up and coming based on Trump policy. Registration, required registration and fingerprints for everybody that will be in the United States for more than 30 days. Now, it sounds crazy, it sounds scary, but really all of you, most of you coming to the United States will automatically be registered and have your fingerprints taken when you enter your border post, the airport or a land border, and you're issued an I-94. The I-94 is that digital document now. It's no longer the little white page that we're used to from the old days. It's a digital document that says this person entered, their name, your passport number, when you entered, what status you entered in, and how long you can be here, the date you must leave. That I-94 you should print offline as soon as you come in and carry with you, because that will be the proof that you were registered when you entered the country. There are other documents that you can use for proof of registration, but we're not going to get into those. There's many. But the main one that most of you will use is the I-94. So it is required that if you're going to be in the U.S. for more than 30 days, you have to have your fingerprints taken and be registered. If you did not get issued an I-94, you should contact me or another immigration attorney to make sure that you actually get the registration done and you have proof of it, because they're requiring that you carry that proof at all times to make sure that you are actually registered in the system if you're a non-immigrant. Very important. The other thing not to forget is you have to notify immigration of a change of address within 10 days of that move. You can also do that online, but don't forget about that. That's been in place for a long time. A lot of times it's not enforced, but make sure you actually do it. If you don't get registered, there's penalties, and I'm looking at the rule right now. There's penalties that might be up to $5,000 for not registering. So it's really important that you take it seriously and make sure that you have been registered if you're going to be in the country more than 30 days. This is the latest and the greatest that's coming out of the Trump administration related to U.S. immigration. It is not final yet, but is being set to be finalized soon. So make sure that when you come into the country, you get your I-94, you print it out, you carry it with you. If you did not get an I-94 for some reason, reach out to an immigration attorney, myself or someone else, to make sure that you get registered and have proof of that for the future.